Head first.
Look at that.
On the ECHOTAIL.
ECHOTAIL.
Yeah.
Right
Nailed
there
that
shows
sucker.
how well them things work.
Yeah. That's crazy. Nice job on the development of it, Zach. Zach worked for pretty much the better part of a full season and a half, almost, before we decided, you know, this is, yeah. But it never ends. You can always make and improve a lure. But if you see what he did here, the normal ECHOTAIL has treble hooks that are positioned on the bottom, and we take normally and pin it on the back. But what Zach did is came up with this concept to position those hooks upright, because if you look at the whitefish and the way that their mouth is positioned, they're bottom feeders, so their mouths are positioned downwards. So with those hooks facing up, it's a natural hookup for them. Yeah.
You're picking the bait up right off the bottom.
Yep, right off the bottom. So you can see they're kind of, it's when the bait comes up, when the ECHOTAIL comes up because of the lead, you're literally ripping the blade up, and it's positioned perfectly for increased hookup percentages, just like that. And that's exactly where that fish got hooked, right on the front hook.